Dam.
Bagha Chanchada do dam no. Bagha Chanchada.
ইয়াড়ে আছে কি?
সেটা বাঘ নটি ড্যাম
ড্যাম সেটা।
ওয়াটারফল যাবে। अबे मेंढा हो रहा है छेड़ी नो मेंढा सब चमकड़ा है जी ये उल पाएगी
हां उजु
अरे मेंढा हो रहा है तम चमकड़ा जी जी उल करिए बोली चम नहीं उल करिया पे उल
एवं काढू छी उल पे
So hello guys, we come to a new place that is a Bagha Chanchada. I don't know why the place name is Bagha Chanchada, but it's a very beautiful place. The road will be little tough, so we have to come in the morning time. So that is the view of this Bagha Chanchada waterfall. So at that place, while you're going inside that place, that is the Bagha Chanchada place. It looks really beautiful. So while you go inside, you'll be seeing how the place is. So at this place, we have stopped here for just take a photograph because it looks really great. It's jungle type and that are the hills over there. So hello guys, this is a Bagha Chanchada waterfall. So I don't know, this is a dead end over here. Maybe this was a waterfall but it's closed, and here some sort of mining work is going on over here, over this mountain. So this is dead end, so I have to go back. There is no place over here, I have to go back. There is no such place like Bagha Chanchada waterfall.
मतलब डैम हवा इटी
एबे ठीक ठीक हो जुगा
डैम के रूट का भगाई
हां डैम के रूट
डैम के रूट
को डैम जी झरना साउंड कोड होछ ना झरना साउंड आउट होची देखो
झरना डैम में उस लोग आसी देखा ना औरी और पट्टा देले कौन सुन नोटिस तो देखा आसी रिटर्न हे जाउ झरना से तो मैं झरना देखा.
So in around 2023 this dam construction will be completed. This Bagha Chanchada waterfall is now converted to a dam. It's Bagha Chanchada, yes. Bagha Chanchada. So there is no waterfall as far as now. So they are telling that in 2023 this construction of this waterfall will be completed. There will be a dam constructed. So it's the construction work going on. Around 200 people are staying over here to construct this Bagha Chanchada dam. We will be seeing that in 2023. Costa Bird.